The other day, Meg and I came home from dinner and our window is broken and we didn't know what to do. So we called my best friend, Jimmy Palmer of Supreme Windows, and he is a window expert. He's done thousands and thousands of windows across Chicagoland, and he is gonna teach me step by step on how to replace a window. So we can do this in under 30 minutes and in 7 steps. So check this out.
What's up, Joe? Here she is. Your all brand new insulated glass unit, my friend. Time to solve the mystery of the broken glass. All right, Joe, step 1. We want to tape up our glass because it's been compromised by whatever broke it. And we're going to make sure that
Whoever broke it.
Whoever broke it. We'll make sure that it stays nice and sturdy. So let's go inside.
Why are we doing this?
What we're doing is the glass has been compromised. So as we put the pressure on it to score it, to remove it, we don't want it falling down and we don't want it breaking into small pieces that are very hard to clean up. So what we are doing now is we are just securing this glass, keeping it all together. The glass has been compromised, so when we remove it, it doesn't break apart and create a bigger mess. Last piece right here. Okay, now we got it all taped up, nice and solid. So here's what we're going to do now. We are going to identify what's called the glazing beads. So come on over here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, Joe, now that we have the glazing beads off, we're going to take our razor knife, we're going to go inside and score the glass. Here it's starting to release. I think if I give it just a final nudge here, there we go, and there we go.
There's the window.
There's the broken one. Look it, we got it. We'll make our new seal now.
And we've got a brand new window.
Yeah.